Today, I'll walk you through exactly how solar panels are made, step by step. Be sure to subscribe for more behind-the-scenes videos like this.
Explaining silicon purification and wafer preparation. Each solar cell is carefully engineered and tested to maximize energy efficiency. Every panel is thoroughly inspected before leaving the facility. And that's how solar panels are made from start to finish.